Hey there, business owner. My name is Petra and I blog over at bigincomeparadise.com. And you are in the right place if you want to grow your small business with unique and outstanding social media content. So in today's video, I wanted to show you the tool called Copy.ai. So it's basically artificial intelligence. You put some information inside, this many tools that they have inside, and Copy.ai then creates content. So you have a ton of tools. I'm not going to go through all of them. But yeah, personal tools, you can create birthday cards, but the best tools I would say are blog tools, because obviously if you're a blogger, you would love this. The top best tool is First Draft Wizard for blog. It's creating such great content. I'm blown away. But in this case, because I know most of you are small business owners who want to grow on social media. So we're going to check out the tools for social media. So you have website copy, emails, and social media tools. You can go through all of the tools here, but if you're completely new to Copy.ai, I don't suggest you go here first. You should go under templates. And this is what we're going to check out today. So they created a lot of templates for blog, social media content, emails, website, and so on and so on. But we're going to go under social media content. And because I know a ton of you want to create tips and tricks and, valuable content, we're going to test out this template. So we'll share tips and knowledge. So we're just going to click here, start new project. So you're going to leave this in because it's telling this tool, so it's called Freestyle tool. It's telling it what you want to create. So share tips and knowledge, social media post. Then industry, we're going to just start with pet niche dogs. Let's say I'm just going to take that as an input. Then information that we want to share, I would say dog grooming tips. I'm going to copy this. And now what you can do is choose a tone. So maybe friendly, luxury, relaxed. You need to know your brand and what kind of voice you're using. But let's go with friendly. And by the way, yes, you can also create custom tones. So as you can see, I created Gary Vee because I was playing around. Casual, laid back, that's more of my tone. But yeah, we're going to go with friendly and just create copy. And it's going to take a couple of seconds. On the right side, you will see this place here where you can just copy and paste your content. So you can create your social media post really fast. Because this is a tool, it's not going to be perfect. So let's see what Copy.ai came up with. You want your dog to look and feel their best. This is amazing. It's a great start of your post. So we're going to take this. I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. So this is a great title because, of course, people want their dogs to look and feel their best. So let's see. I've got a few tips that can help you make sure your furry friend is the best groomed pooch on the block. So I love this part. I'm definitely going to take it, put it here. Then, of course, you see we put all of this information here, and Copy.ai continued. We just put this in, get the right grooming tools, and Copy.ai add more stuff to it. So go through it. I'm not going to go through all of this because it's going to take too long, but I would say this is really good. I would just copy the whole thing. You can also save it, by the way. But yeah, I'm going to copy the whole thing and I'm going to paste it here. And you already have your social media post. You can only end it with a great call to action. So what you can do is, if you don't get a call to action in here, you can find tools on the left side and just type in call to action. So you have it here, and you can also create a video call to action. So in this case, we just need a call to action. We're going to take this away because we need to input a product or brand name. But in this case, we don't want anything. So you can just leave it empty. And then let's see what it's going to come up with if we leave this part let's see, create copy. And by the way, you can again choose a different tone. So you could go for persuasive, get pet grooming tips here. No, these are not the best calls to action. So if you don't get the best copy out, it's probably because you put the input is not clear enough, right? It's still just a tool. So let's take this out. And let's see what it's going to come up with. And let's take persuasive tone. Create copy. Now let's groom your puppy. Be prepared with the best grooming kit. Or it just gave me an idea. Do you want the best grooming kit? So you can end it with a question, right? You can end the post with a question. That's a great call to action. So what you can do is ask them, do you want the best grooming kit? And those who say yes, you can send them a freebie if you have a best grooming kit freebie, or you can send them to a blog post, a video, to wherever you want, or to your product, right? So there you go. You already have one social media post. So that's Copy.ai, and you can test it out for free. My affiliate link is going to be in the description box below and also in the pinned comment. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.